hands off, or you get none. Big promise, I made one. You want it, so say some. You want it, and you want. Hands off, or you get none. Big promise, I made one. You want it, so say some. You want it, you.
Hey girlies, welcome back to the channel. Your girl is back, and today I'm getting into an install video. I literally just took out my quick weave. I have so much oils, juices, and berries in my hair, girl. So Best Lace Wigs couldn't have came in a more perfect time because I'm like, I need a wig to pop on so I can get my hands out of my hair. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the box and this is the packaging. I literally just received it today, so I just was like, we're going to install this bad boy. So let's get into the wig. This is a HD lace, okay, 18 inches, you guys, 180% density, natural color. It's kinky curly and it has 6-inch parting space on this baby. All these hair companies have been providing paddle brushes, and can we have a moment to just applaud them for that? I don't know about y'all, but I'm always losing a freaking brush. So the more that I have, the better it is for me. Just your wig caps, your edge brush, and an elastic band. So here's the hair, and as you can see, it's not giving super coily ramen noodle packaged hair. A longer comb in the back if you guys are interested. I love longer combs. I feel like these are a little bit more comfortable, and it looks like it's pre-plucked. So you want to be careful if you are thinking that you might need to go back in and pluck some more, because you know, I feel like you don't. This is good enough, you guys. Like, I love a frontal that's really not high in density because I don't have time to be trying to pluck it myself anymore. Like, I'm spoiled at this point. Get into it. And as you can see, the lace is blended in with my complexion perfectly. So I like to make sure that the wig, y'all know the drill. I'm making sure that the wig is, you know, even on both sides. And then I'm going to cut around the ear tabs so we can get a flawless lay. Make sure I know where I'm cutting.
Hands off, or you get none. Big promise, I made one. You want.
I grabbed my no shrinkage gel from Jackie. Spray a little bit of Got To Be glue around the perimeter.
You want it, so say some. You want it.
And I'm gonna take this spritz. And then I've already prepared my elastic band to go around the perimeter of my hair. So I'm just gonna use this water bottle and just mist the hair. And this is kinky curly, so it does have a tighter curl than just regular curly hair. Kinky curly hair is definitely one of my favorites. I don't know, like I really started liking it when it was time for me to manipulate the hair. Like I could blow it out and it will look really, really nice. And you can straighten it and it will give that yucky look. But yucky hair does have a lot of synthetic hair in it, I'm not gonna lie to you. But when you're working with a kinky curly hair texture, it is known for it being human hair all the way around.
You want it, and you want. Hands off, or you get none. Big promise, I made one. You want it, so say some. You want it, and you want. Hands off, or you get one.
Brushing your curly hair helps define it a lot more. I don't know why I have this thing where I don't really like to put product in curly hair anymore. It's a thing for me. I don't know why it became a thing for me, but for the sake of this video, I will be putting a little bit of leave-in conditioner in the hair. I'm just trying to get you guys to see how beautiful the hair looks overall before putting any product in the curls to look this luscious.
You want it, and you want. Hands off, or you get none. Big promise, I made one. You want it, so say some. You want it, and you want. Hands off, or you get none. Big promise, I made one.
So I'm gonna take this Millie pomegranate and honey moisturizing and detangling conditioner. Take a little bit of that, and while the hair is damp, I'm just going to break this on the hair. Freaking leave-in conditioner smells so bomb. And this is what like my natural hair smells like majority of the time. Since I'm always slicking it down, I try to stay away from gels and hairsprays on my hair as much as I can. The top half, just to lay her down.
Hands off or you get none. Big promise, I made one. You want it, so say some. You want it, and you want. Hands off it.
How the back looks. It's really pretty. I love the density. I love that more so the density is down here than up here. Ooh. So this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna start removing the remaining lace, but look at how flat she is. There. And I'm not gonna put it in a knot. I'm just gonna let it do what it does for just a couple of seconds. Foundation powder just to put in my part. And this is NC50 from MAC.
Big promise, I made one. You want it, so say some. You want it, and you want. Hands off it, you get none. Big promise, I made one. You want it,
I don't really think I want baby hairs today.
you want. Hands off it, you get none. Big promise, I made one. You want it, so say some. You want it, and you want. Hands off it, you get none. Big promise, I made one.
So we're gonna let the hair down. I add a little bit of foundation powder in the front. And we're gonna let it do what it do for a little bit. Best Lace Wigs, their parting is amazing also. As long as you are paying attention to their 6-inch parting collection on their site, they really provide it. The hair is completely dry, y'all, and I am so in love with the results. It's Best Lace Wigs definitely came through with this unit. I feel like it's super natural, definitely chef's kiss. It's giving life. It's completely dry, and the coils are very much so there, but it just looks so freaking good. I feel like a Barbie doll, right?